Hello everyone, this is our GCSE Slander 2024 Week 3 reaction. So let's have a look at the video. So let me just play the video. The exam board's preparing to drop their most disgraceful paper 2s. How is everyone feeling for paper 2? Everyone right now, you're probably panicking. Is everyone stressed? Is everyone excited? Me, after telling myself it would be fine and not revising, it was not fine. Karim on his way to buy 400 empty jars. Okay, what's with this empty jars question? I'm sure I've seen it all over the social media. Did you find that question difficult? Me, when I saw that geography question, EduCast students watching this video, do we have any EduCast students? There's hardly any EduCast students. Everyone after that Chris Macbeth question. Yeah, that question was quite straightforward. Foundation math students versus higher math students. Me, when the front of the test paper tells me I should try and answer every question. Everyone doing chemistry arguing if to answer. The invigilators doing laps of all the tests. Who finds invigilators annoying as they walk past you? You know, they walk around. So me, after getting the first maths question wrong, do you get brain fog? Do you get confused? We've got Winnie the Pooh. Petra about to paint precisely 11 meters. Business students after writing the word profit in every sentence. I used to do that, to be fair. The quietest invigilator during the French listening exam. Me after sing. AQA cooking up that history exam. Okay. Interesting. The babies in the French reading, like, I don't know what that means. And that's it. Okay, so that is the end of the video. That was the teacher reaction to the channel. I believe it was School of Memes. So shout out to School of Memes. Some interesting memes and videos in preparation for your exams for week 3. So best of luck for your exams starting this week. You've got 2 English exams and you've got other important exams taking place. Please do give us a subscribe and like and share our videos. We are planning to do a giveaway at 10k subs. So do let us know of any suggestions of what we can give away. Something reasonable, not something really expensive. I was thinking Amazon vouchers for 10 subscribers at £20 each. I think that would be fair. That way we can select more winners. So let me know in the comment section below, and do share our channel, as the closer we get to 10k, the closer we can do this giveaway. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, as we have plenty more exciting videos on the way on our YouTube. Do give us a follow on Instagram and on TikTok, and also YouTube at Easy Education London. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for Monday, and I'll see you soon.